Today I'm going to be checking out this Yita Home storage bench and shoe rack organizer. All right, so I already put this together and I'm putting in some of my wife's shoes, my kids' shoes, and my shoes as well. And you know, I'm a size 10, the wife's a size 8, and the kids' shoes fit very easily as well. For the boots, I had to just turn them, but not a big deal. They do fit, and his Crocs there. And there's still room for more at the bottom as well. So this thing's pretty handy because, you know, we come into the house and first thing we do is just throw the shoes everywhere. So, you know, I know my son's going to love it for sure. And it has this little bench on top, the little pad, so he can just sit up there and change his shoes. It's pretty great. And it comes with good instructions. I know some products don't, but this one does have good instructions. So it's pretty easy to follow. My son's happy. He's up there kicking his feet and dangling. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product. We do like it, and we're going to be putting it right at the entrance door. I just have it here in the kitchen just for testing purposes. But as you can see, my son is 3, and he gets it, and it's very easy for him to do. Puts his shoes back, and it's also a good habit for him as well, right? Learning to put his things away. So it's, I don't know, I'm pretty digging this product. You know, our kitchen's white, this thing's white, so it really goes with the theme of the house as well. And here you see him putting on his boots, and here he is climbing up again to put on his other boot. And as you can see, the little man is having a good time with this thing, and he's very happy. So yeah, hopefully this review helps you guys make your decisions on buying it. Like I said, I would definitely recommend it. It is of high quality, and all you really need is a screwdriver and a couple Allen wrenches, and it's included. Pretty cool. All right, guys, till the next review, see you guys.